me and my friend Alex from my family second city, Stronie Śląskie. Say hello.
Siemano.
We are from Poland, try English abilities. So my English is very easy, but so you must be easy too. Okay, let's go. Oh, fast start. I'm late. And I am now. Track is very technical and fast. You know, small transfers, fresh corner, yeah, bad corner. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Different line than me. Maybe the faster. I don't know. Oh, good light. Very good. Yeah, it's a little mad, but it's fun. Oh, nie dolot. Very good run. Yeah, this is a very good run. And jump? Yeah, jump. And jump too. Oh no, no jump. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Mad. Oh my god. What the hell? What the fast? Whoa, yeah. Woo. Very good ride there. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, our bikes is a demo race, and this bike Fuzz 29er, little rest, and we go. Okay, end of the little rest and go next. This is my first ride behind Alex. Yeah, very good ride. Good video. This is it. Korba! And jump! Yeah! This is all only first ride together. Very good. Oi. Nice ride. Whoa, mad. Slippery. Whoa. More slippery. Oh, different line. Don't they mind. Alex is a fresh rider, was very good. Oh, jump! Oh yeah, very nice. Oh yeah, oh! And the last jump, finish, and end of the track. Okay, Alex, thank you very much for the together ride. See you again. Thank you.